In this last video, we will look through the join function very quickly. So the join function is one of the most used operation in the surface design. For example, if we have a data that we've got from our clients or maybe our suppliers, and they gave us in .igs format. So what we will have in .igs format is that we will have a data that have had all of these surfaces separated. So if these are separated, we will have a very hard time to modify this data because of all of these separated surfaces. So we need to first join them into one surface. So first of all, we can click the join button here. So we will have a new window. There is a few methods to join. Number one is that you can simply do by clicking this one and go down the last, and you hold the shift and click. So you will have all of these to be highlighted. But there is another way to do this, okay, by using auto select, which is basically it's a propagation which we can use in this CATIA. Okay, for example, you click this surface and then right click. Okay, you can either choose distance or angular propagation. So for distance, it will basically look at propagate where it stops if there is a gap. So if there is no gap, it will continue to propagate. So angular will propagate if there is a tangent. So wherever that if we calculate that there is a tangent in the data, it will propagate. So in this data, I want to, for example, propagate using distance, and so it will calculate itself up until it has highlighted everything together. Click OK, right? And now you have one surface with all of the joint surfaces together. Before we end this video, there is an additional information that I think I will share. So we've looked at how we do these pipes by using law before this. So this surface, okay, we can convert this into solid by using a function that is called thick surface. So click these, all right? So you can click on the surface, and then this is the thickness that we want. For example, I want 2 millimeters. Click OK. It will create a solid for this one. So that is basically all that I can share for today. Thank you very much.